Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Pro and let me share with you how to take a screenshot with 3-finger slide. So I'm pretty sure that you know that we can do a screenshot. We can make a screenshot just by pressing the power button and volume down button together once. And here we've got our screenshot. However, I just wanted to show you the option to take a screenshot just by swiping your fingers from the top to the center. Obviously, if this option is not turned on, it won't work. So first of all, let's activate it. We have to go to the settings. Then let's scroll down and find the option additional settings, which is right here, and then scroll down again, or not really, here in this accessibility section we've got gesture shortcuts, so let's tap on it. On the second position we've got something called take screenshot, so the option we're looking for, and as you can see at the top we've got the slide 3 fingers down, which I was explaining before. So let's simply tap on this switcher here, and now we can go back and try to take the screenshot. So simply swipe your 3 fingers from the top to the center, and as you can see we just make a screenshot just like in this standard option with power button and volume down button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.